Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Hey, everybody. This is me coming to you with a quick vlog. I am dressed and getting ready to start by. This is a weekend. So as of right now, I am headed to see a friend. And that truck is going, speeding. And I'm leaving, but I have to first, it's been cold here in Atlanta, so I want to first fill up my gas tank. And I want to put air in my tires because it says it's low and it's been real cold. It snowed twice here in Atlanta. So I just want to put some air in my tires. So I'm going to stop by a quick shop and do that. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Let me see this stop. I don't want this train. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So this is just me coming to you guys to introduce the vlog and say hello. Hey guys, my name is Tasha, aka New Day New Me. This is me and my vlog. So if you do like my vlogs, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that thumbs up, and the notification button so you'll be notified when I do upload. So yeah, about this DG, I'm really feeling it. I'm really liking it because right now y'all on a little mount. Like I got the little magnet piece, and I actually put like a little sticky thing so it can magnetize, so I can vlog and drive at the same time without actually holding it. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. But anywho, I don't want to ramble too long, so let me go ahead and get some gas and put air in my tires so I can hit the road because it's just turned noon. So yeah, let me go handle this business and I'll be back with you guys. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. I am headed back home. Today is next morning. I'm just now headed back home. Yeah, it was a pretty good time. Nothing major. I couldn't vlog because I don't know, just like sometimes with filming with other people, I'm not sure if they comfortable being on vlogs or not, so I don't even bring out my camera. So but that was fun. I'm headed back home. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I got like an hour ride home. About an hour. It's 8:17 in the morning. So what I'm doing today, I don't even know. I probably watch church and straighten up and clean up a little bit at the house. I did get up, when I got up this morning, I did do some thumbnails, well, 2 thumbnails for my video. So every video of mine that I got like pre-recorded has thumbnail besides one. I got one more. I'm gonna finish that when I get home. Yeah, that's pretty much. Oh, TikTok got banned, y'all. I didn't know. Well, it did. It's back open now. But when it got banned, that moment I found out that TikTok owns Capcut, and I double edit my videos. Like if I want to add wording and stuff to it, I usually do that in Capcut, and I just do a rough draft in my iMovie. So Capcut is back up, so that's good. So I edited that video before I left, or 2 videos before I left, so that was good. So yeah, just trying to get some content and be more intentional and show you guys a different side of me, because I feel like mostly all my videos have been doing the same thing, and I try not to. Like me doing my face routine, because one thing about me, if you know me, I love like skincare is very important to me, because I don't have acne prone skin, but I do have dark spots. So when I do get breakouts, I get a dark spot. So that's what I'm working on now, to get rid of my dark spots. But I seem like a lot of my videos is either skincare or me going to the grocery store, because I really don't do nothing. But what I will say is it's going to be able to change soon, because I am going to office. I think I announced that or told you guys that I got a new position. So I think I start at the beginning of the month. So I will be doing more a day in my life of work, because I actually be going to jobs instead of working from home. I know I got my part-time job, so I'll probably have to let that go, because I'll not be working nights. I'll be doing an 8 to 5 schedule. And I only go to office Monday to Thursday, so Friday is work from home. But yeah, just little things that I'm trying to do and trying to change up on my channel. As far as Pocket 3, I do like it, and I think It takes some getting used to because it's a little bit bigger, but I love it because of the size of the camera. You can actually see yourself, because in my pocket too, you can see yourself, but you really couldn't. The quality looks very similar. It is better on the Pocket 3, but it looks similar. Like the Pocket 2 don't have bad quality. It just can't. I don't think you can do 4K on that. So even with that being said, I don't use 4K on this camera. I use my settings are on 2.7. Yeah, 2.7K and 24. That's what my camera's on. That's what I always try to film. I never really do 4K because when I edit on this and it saves room on my file. And to be honest, it looks the same as 4K when I upload it, and it's pretty good. Still good quality. I got my little hair wrapped on. But anyway, I don't want this to be too long. Let me get to the house, and I'll be back.
She a head case, all she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might just search you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features, I might embarrass you. Dead glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe get some shell toes. Dead glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Dead glow, two-tone Cartier match the nails, hoe. Dead glow, no competition, these bitches fail, hoe. Dead glow, curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, hoe. Get money, but I can't tell, ho. Dead glow. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. Dead glow. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get glow, where you been at? Mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe. You bitches better not get me started. Got in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch. When I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet. I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Get them glow. Them bitches fraudulent. You know you the truth. Get them glow. Stop overthinking. These hoes can't fuck with you. Get them glow.
Hi guys. I know the little angle's a little off, but anywho, today is a couple. That was last time y'all really saw me was on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. Y'all saw me take my curl down because I didn't do my hair. I didn't record me doing my hair because like I told y'all, I don't want this stuff to be repetitive, but I don't really be doing nothing. And to be quite honest, I am more introvert like. I don't like being around a big crowd of people, a lot of people. So I'm very selective who I be around. So yeah, but I really just can't. I'm headed to the store right now. I'm just need to go to Ulta, and I want to go to Publix. I think I'm gonna get a route for lunch, but that's not the reason why I'm here. I came in today. I wanted to come last night, but like I said, I'm trying to do better. When I got my hair, I had my bonnet and my muumuu nightgown on, and I was like, I need to be more conscious, excuse the lighting, about when I come to you guys on camera or whatever. So I'm going to, I just really just taking this ride and using this time to really just talk to you guys about something that it's been on my heart, and I think I need to do for myself, to prove to myself I can do it and be intentional about it. I think I spoke about it in a vlog, some vlogs ago, about me wanting to actually try to, hold on, let me get on the highway and be back because the light is kind of throwing me off, so I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back. So what I was saying is, I think I talked about it like a few vlogs ago, about me wanting to do the 75 challenge hard. And looking at it, I have done some research on it and what the challenge required, because I just seen people doing it and just saying it, and I wanted to do it. But just looking at it, I think I want to really just not be that strict on myself as 75 hard, but 75 soft. So I've been thinking about on the 1st that I start, well, I won't say on Monday. Next Monday I start the 75 hard. And I would do it for 75 days, and I will vlog start including some of the things. Y'all, this lighting is still bad. I'm sorry, I'm the sun. But I will be doing vlogs, like daily updates on it. It's not gonna be all my channel is gonna be about, but I am gonna start to include like what I do. So when I do get back home, I'm going to show you guys a little bit more of what I research and what I want to do. And I'm just want to be intentional because it's a mental challenge, as well as it's for me to help me to work on myself, because I'm really realizing stuff about myself that I need to work on, and be intentional about it, and just get myself together, and be really intentional and challenge myself. So that's what I want to try to do with the 75 challenge soft. So that's what I wanted to just really talk to you about. So I'm just taking this drive and talk to you guys about it. If you guys want to join me, that's good. I do have my other Instagram, my Caring About Tasha Instagram, or Care for Tasha Instagram. I think I'm going to use that for my daily, for me to keep accountability of it. And like I said, it's certain things you got to do every day. It's not as strict, because when I looked at the 75 hard, it can be a lot. 2 works out for 45 minutes a day, so that's an hour, about an hour and 30 minutes of working out every day. Yeah, it's too much. But I'm going to go over a little bit more when I do get home. So yeah, let me go ahead and get to the stores, and I'll be back with you guys. Like I said, I don't want this part to be too long. I do want to just talk to you guys and tell you what's going on a little bit, because I think I'm in this stage of life just, I don't know, just being tested. So I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I just got back in the car from Ulta. I'm now sitting in front of Five Below. I'm gonna go in here. Ulta didn't have what I wanted or wanted to look at. I really just came to look at the lipsticks. They said they have some new lipsticks in there, just like nude. So I wanted to look at that, but they didn't have that. So I'm going to Five Below, and then may go into TJ Maxx, which is all in the same plaza. And yeah, so let me just go into Five Below. I haven't been to Five Below in a long time, so let me go in there. Bye. My sister got these. They're $5. Alright, y'all, so this is what I got from TJ Maxx. I got some face masks. These are the rubber cryo rubber moisture mask, hydrated. I don't know, I just want to try these. Looks cool. And I got these written off for my dark spots as well. So I got this. That's all I got from there. So what I'm about to do now is go to Publix. I think I want an Italian wrap for lunch. So I'm about to go get that and see what else they got on sale there at Publix. So yeah, let me get the Publix, y'all. Let me get the Publix. Alright, so I've left Publix. I got a sub, well not a sub, a wrap, Italian wrap. I got some fruits, and I got an energy drink, Alani New, for today and tomorrow. Yeah, so that's pretty much what's going on. I'm trying to see. I'm feeling my hair, y'all. I like it, but y'all know I'm just worried about my leave out freezing up. But yeah, that's when I'm at now. For to make this U-turn and get back on the highway, get back home. I do want to take a shower before I go to, whoop, that's a deep turn, go to work. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. So yeah, let me get to the house. Let me go, because I'm trying not to vlog so much in my room, like in me sitting down, because I don't want that to get old either. So y'all, if y'all only know how I am, I'm a homebody at heart. I really don't do too much of nothing. So I just don't want y'all to get bored of me repeating not doing nothing except sitting in my room at my table, or be going to the store for groceries. I do try to do a little bit of that, but yeah, some things are coming to change with this 75 soft. So I'm ready for it, and I think it's something that I really need. But anywho, let me get to the house and I'll be back. So I found the video. Let me show y'all. This is the video that I saw. It's the 75 hard challenge versus the 75 soft challenge. Rule explained under 5 minutes what you need to know. So this is the video that I watched that made the whole thing make more sense. That made me go for the 75 soft more than the 75 hard. But yeah, I'm doing some more research on it, which I plan on starting on Monday. But yeah, right now I'm just at work. I'm going to take a shower in a minute, because when I go to break, I go ahead and take my shower and everything. My hair, y'all know the fridge is a little bit what's get me, but matter of fact, let me just go ahead and put my bonnet on. Take my pot out. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, is just doing a little research. I got like 30 more minutes so I go on lunch. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and watch some more videos on it and see. And I'm going to tomorrow write down what's my goals and stuff, and probably get some video of me as I am right now, like body pictures and all that stuff. So that's what I plan on doing probably tomorrow, which is Wednesday. So yeah, pretty much what's going on. So let me go ahead and get back to that. I don't want to ramble too long. I need to put my phone on the charger, charge this up some too. So I'll see you guys probably in the morning. So see you in the morning.